If you wonder what apps work on the Google Pixel Watch 3, so first of all, I'm going to show you all default apps that you can find pre-installed right here. So as you can see, we've got the alarm application, Google Assistant, Google Calendar, Remote Shutter, Google Contacts. We've got this health features. There's the Fitbit application, Gmail, Google Wallet, Google Home, Google Keep, Google Maps, Google Messages. There's the Google Phone Dialer, Google Play Store, Sound Recorder. Right here, I'm not sure what it is. Okay, this is the music player. Below we can also find Timer, WhatsApp. No, the WhatsApp actually I just downloaded from the Play Store. The WhatsApp is not here as default. There's the weather application and the YouTube music application. And if you wonder what apps you can download here, so there's like a lot of apps, but I'm gonna show you the essential apps that are the most popular. So we got the Spotify Music. We can also find the WhatsApp, Strava, SoundCloud, the Nike Run Club application, Adidas running application, MyFitnessPal, Notebook, AllTrails, Sleep Cycle, Calculator. We get even golf application, CU25K, and this is like all essential apps, but of course you can find more of them. For example, if you are looking for some podcasts and more, you can find the Amazon Music, Deezer application, SoundCloud, Storytel, Fun Radio, Pocket FM, and there's like a lot of apps that you can actually get here on this device. When you go for the health and the wellness, we got AllTrails. We got some motivation apps, water drink reminder, cardiogram, water tracker, and as you can see, there's like a lot of stuff here. So yeah, that's all. If you have any question, of course, you can ask them in the comments, so I will try to answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.